I can't fish and record at the same time.
This is what happens at this crazy garage on Fridays. We were on Amazon one night, and we're like, oh yeah, let's get So anyways, August 26th.
Is that what day it is?
Yeah.
August 26th.
Oh yeah.
Everybody, put your calendars.
Oh, wow. I'm going to the race.
Saturday.
I'm going to see that.
Bobby is racing an orange show. And it's fun. It's really fun.
If none of you have been to any race at the Orange Show, and it's been a while for me,
It's super fun.
it is a lot
It's already
of fun.
in my calendar.
I know, girl. We've been
Yeah.
bumping. It's fun.
I've got it in there twice.
The other date,
Look at Chuck with the
the other
background
date,
rhythm.
if everyone's okay with this, I just talked to Jeff Stork and he said Tuesday, July 11th
For a
for a
collection
tour.
That's worth seeing.
That works with everyone?
That'll be our next class day too, because
Because the 4th
4th of July, yeah.
Luna?
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next week.